Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. If this is your first time stopping by, welcome to the Ludovic channel. Welcome to our family. On this channel we cover 4 niches. We have beauty, which is the number 1 niche, and under beauty we have makeup, we have product hauls, we have skincare, we have so many things that we cover. And then the second niche this channel covers is lifestyle. Under lifestyle we have like vlogs, and other lifestyle related content. And the third niche we cover is what I term life hacks. Life hacks, it covers any and everything from prepaid meter matters to your vegetables, to how to take care of yourself, to how to revamp your house, to how to even sew gari. Like, we have so many things. How to prevent stretch mark for pregnant women, how to help you snap back. There are like anything life hack, anything that can make life easier for you. Then we have the final niche, which is YouTube growth. Now I decided to add this because growing on YouTube has been like a learning curve for me. It's not been the way some of these gurus I watch show it to be. I have been on YouTube now for almost 5 years or 4 years thereabout, and growth for me has not been easy. So I just thought to add that niche so that I show you how I achieve all the milestones I achieve on YouTube, how I am able to achieve a particular milestone and all of that. So those are the 4 niches we cover here. We put up videos every single week, and I would want to invite you to come join the Ludovic family by subscribing to this channel. Okay, now I'll see you in one of my future videos, or maybe one of my previous ones. Bye.